Welcome. In front of me I have the Xiaomi Smart Camera C100 and I'll be going over unboxing along with just a quick look at the product itself. So let's cut our way through this, as we do have two seals and a bit of a damaged box. That's how it arrived, but something tells me everything inside is fine. I guess we'll see though. There we go. I'm just a little bit beat up. So it looks like there is a book or manual, more like, right where the impact was. So something tells me, like I said, the camera is fine. Now, pulling everything out, it just kind of falls out in one piece. Maybe because it was kind of smooshed together, but anyway. In here, we have our camera. There we go. It's... Oh, interesting. So it has a actual like physical shutter blocking, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, next, the instruction. Let's just keep that to the side. Our mounting and the cable, which is a Type-C to Type-A cable, along with this. This is a sticker that you just place on the wall, so you have easy places where you're gonna be drilling the holes. So these two are basically going to drill for the little mounting spot to go on. Now this, at the bottom, has a little clip-in for the wall mounting, and we have SD card on here. So SD card reset right next to that. At the back, we have our Type-C charging port, or power port more like, and that's about it. Now, this stand, I don't know if we can detach it. I'm not sure if we can actually detach it. Probably not, so you could technically break it off. Let's put it this way. If you want to just to not have this, but obviously it acts as a stand when it's on table, or if it's mounted to the wall, you just do this. And you do have obviously the full motion like range right here, so you can just twist it whatever way, up, down. Now it's limited to less than 90 degrees, as you can see, so it's always going to be pointing a little bit towards the floor when it's mounted to the wall. So yeah. So that's about it. Now, it is a smart camera, Xiaomi one, so it will use the Xiaomi Home application, and it connects with Google Home and Alexa, so gives you some versatility with it. And obviously it can still most likely connect to Home Assistant, though I haven't ever tested it out. Still trying to get my Home Assistant set up. It's a bit of a daunting task, but anyway, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.